Here we are. We're trying to make our first prototype side plate custom drag bike frame. We made our universal fixture here. We're trying to just use sheet metal underneath. We actually were impatient and didn't wait for the sheet metal to come in, so we used pieces, but we're on last cut now in deburr, and we'll mock it up tonight. Ready to rerun from here. Okay. Got a program restart mode, which actually delays everything. Alright. Puts everything back in place. Kissing the walls one more time to remove some of the feather edge on it. TM1P school, programmed out of MasterCam and designed in MasterCam solids. We actually use Verisurf to reverse engineer the original plate and make modifications. So Verisurf working in the MasterCam background. See what we got now. Everything looks good. Everything's okay. Just going to deburr the edges and that'll be that. Call it the next tool. Go in the right place. That's the end. Alright. Okay, we take. That's it. All done.